Good morning, Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021.
Please stand for the pledges to the flag.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Did you know this Wednesday, May 12th, is National School Nurse Day? School nurses have a tough job because they help us when we get sick or hurt. We want to make sure they know how much we appreciate them for the care they give us each day. Right now, all together, can we say thank you? Loud on 3 so they can hear it. You ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Thank you! Good job. Talk with your class about other ways you can show kindness to your school nurse, like maybe making a thank you card.
That's a good idea. The book fair is going on until May 19th. Information is on the library website and Facebook.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be rainy with a high of 62 and a low of 55.
Today in history, in 1981, Andrew Lloyd Webber's musical Cats premiered West End in London.
In the headlines, a 100-year-old monster fish caught in the Detroit River. While doing research in the Detroit River, some U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service biologists caught a massive 240-pound, 6-foot, 10-inch long fish that they estimate is at least a century years old. Judging by its size and weight, the team thinks the fish is a female and has been a Detroit River resident since around 1920. Biologists marked the fish with a unique tag for conservation purposes and released it back to the ocean to swim away.
Today's fun fact is, in the wild, some reindeer travel more than 3,000 miles in a single year.
What? Now for the joke of the day. Hey Carter, why couldn't the pony sing a lullaby?
I don't know. Why?
She was a little horse. That's all for today. Let's say our motto together. Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence. I'm Joseph.
And I'm Carter.
That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, 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 bump.